This video demonstrates how to fit the Stormguard garage threshold seal. In the box you will find the garage threshold seal, a tube of Grip Bond Pro. You will need a tape measure, a pencil, a hacksaw, a square or a ruler, sandpaper, white spirit, a cloth or paper towel, and a silicone gun. Step 1. Measure and cut. Start by finding the width required for your seal by measuring the distance between the garage door rebates. Mark out this measurement along the seal and cut to size using the hacksaw. Step 2. Position. Place the seal down on the ground between the rebates. Next, close the garage door and work your way along the seal, pushing it into place so that it is flush with the garage door. Using the pencil, mark a line along both sides of the seal to mark its position and then put the seal to one side. Step 3. Prepare the ground. Use the sandpaper all the way along the ground where the seal will be fitted. Ensure the ground is rough to provide a good surface for the glue to adhere to. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove any dust and dirt from the area. Next, use the white spirit and cloth to remove any remaining dirt, dust and grease. Step 4. Glue the seal into place. Attach the included tube of Grip Bond Pro to the sealant gun. Start applying the glue to the surface. Apply lines to each edge, keeping the glue slightly inside the pencil lines. And then finish with a zigzag pattern along the middle of the strip. You may need to work quickly to prevent the glue from drying too soon. Next, take the seal and carefully place it into position, lining up the edges with the pencil lines. Work your way along the seal, pressing it firmly into place. If any glue leaks out from underneath the seal, use white spirit and a cloth to remove it. And you're done! Find out more about the Stormguard product range at stormguard.co.uk.